2019 Tesla Model X. We're tinting this front windshield, so we're gonna dismantle this and remove this rear view mirror. All right, let's do this. So you're gonna get a slim card like this. Just start from the back, and all I'm doing is twisting. Take this cover off, and there's like a million T10s, so get ready for that. So you want to turn this counterclockwise. There's a little clip right here. Pull, put this in a safe spot, and T10. Again, always use hand tools when doing this. Never use a drill gun. You will strip it. Promise. Go. Okay. Then you're going to get a gasket stick like this, or a bone as we call it, and just twist. Take that off. All right. Put this in a safe spot. Put it back here. T10, 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 T10. All a bunch of them right here. All right. Two. Stop trolling me. There we go. Jeez, that baby's on there. Okay. And then let's get these other ones off. There you go. All right, and then I would tape this off because you don't want any of that to get wet, and reverse roll this baby, or Superman cape it, or however you're gonna do it.